Hey, what's up? I'm Tomasz, I'm 23 years old, and I am a software engineer at OutSystems. I've always loved building stuff, whether it's software projects or more recently a mix between hardware and software. And at some point, I would love to create my own company. So this is kind of like learning and experimenting along the way. Currently, I'm working on the Mini Market Ticker, which is the little device that sits on your desk and shows you information about your favorite financial market symbols. So the current price, the how much it's up or down today, and the last daily close price. This is what it looks like right now. Hopefully you can see just enough. Obviously it's not on right now. But yeah, the point of this is just like to have information about your favorite symbols without having any distractions. So you don't have to open an app or check your phone for the information you want. You just take a glance while you're working, gaming, or just doing some other stuff, and you have all the information you need. So yeah, that's it. The main reason I've created this channel is to document what I'm doing, so I can come back in a few years and see what I've achieved and how far I've come. And it also makes it easier for me to share the stuff I'm doing, the projects, the products, and get feedback along the way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're into building things, startups, or just following the process, stick around. Okay, so I've been working on the project quite a while today, and I wanted to show you the progress that I've had so far and kind of explain to you the project in itself. Well, as you can see, it's quite simple right now and a bit messy. We have a pretty standard ESP32, a 1-inch display, and just a button to cycle through the symbols. And what I was developing today was the configuring interface. So when you buy it, the first time you can, the first time you try to use it, you can actually configure it and set up the Wi-Fi password and SSID, and also the symbols that you want to track. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you. Let me just connect the project. All right, so as you can probably see, it's already showing something. It's pretty much telling the user to open the config portal and to let them know that they have configurations to do, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So you pretty much just go to your Wi-Fi settings, connect to the MMT Wi-Fi, and it will pop up like a web page where you introduce your SSID. So I gotta type it out apparently. There you go, and you insert the password. There you go. And then you can pretty much just choose the symbols that you're trying to track. Right now I'm having a max number of symbols of 10, but I'll probably crank that up in the future. So I'm just gonna choose to the purposes of demonstration, Apple and Tesla, and you just save it. And your device will restart. So as you can see, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi right now because it restarted, and if there's no preferences set, so no Wi-Fi SSID password and symbols, it opens the config portal. Otherwise it tries to connect to the Wi-Fi, and as you can see it did, and it's already getting some information about, in this case, Apple. And in a few seconds it will cycle through to Tesla. And there you go, there's Tesla. And yeah, this is the current state. Hope you enjoyed it. The next steps for this project will be to move it to a more stable prototype. So we'll be moving the current build from the breadboard to a soldering board. We'll also be improving the software and upgrading to a bigger and clearer OLED display. As soon as I'm able to, I'll also put up the website so you can check the status of the Mini Market Ticker, as well as sign up for the mailing list so you get more frequent updates and earlier access to the pre-order. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the first video of this journey. Bye!